Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. I hope you guys are doing well. I am here in my craft room and just wanted to do a quick share before I send some things out. If you follow my channel and you know I do the stuffy collab, I did for the month of May some purple and silver envelopes that was part of something I was creating for a party. That was purple and silver, and I ended up showing those things that I made for the party. Well, anyway, I had a couple of requests for some customers to make them some. And I love the color combination because y'all know, if you watch my channel, if anybody knows me, and I just had one discussion with my girlfriend, hi Susan, on our Zoom scrapbooking about colors. And y'all know I talk about pink, and I know like Monica scrap with my boy, she feels the same way I feel about pink. I can tolerate pink now. I can tolerate pink now. I'm just saying all this because we were having this discussion about colors, and y'all know me. I love red. More, you know, I can tolerate pink now. I used to like hate it, but I can tolerate it now. But anyway, I'm okay with it because I did used to sell Mary Kate, so I had to have pink on stuff. So I learned to tolerate it, but I really don't like pink. I am a red girl, and so we was having this discussion about colors. And I say all that to say is that I had two different customers ask me to make some of these envelopes, and they're in my colors, the colors that I love. And I was so excited to make them because y'all know I love those colors, and the colors came out perfect. So if you see me make those purple and silver ones, you know, even though my sister's favorite color is purple, and one of my other girlfriends, her favorite color is purple, I love them. They turned out really pretty. I thought that was really a nice color combination, that purple and silver. But I was so excited that I got to use this quick dye, and then to use this one that I showed you guys from HSN that I had got by Physics, which is beautiful. And both of them asked me to make them. The first one wanted me in my favorite colors, black, red, and white, and the other one was in black, silver, and gold, which they are my colors. So I was like so excited. I thought they turned out so pretty. So this is for the first person. So I made them in sets of 6. So I'm going to wrap those up and get those out to her. I love them. I'm going to go back and make me a set for myself, for my stash. But I was like, oh, I love that color combination. And then the other person asked for black, red, and white. And I love that too. I just think they are so gorgeous. I love the color combination on both of these. They are so super pretty. And so while I was making these for them, I went on and made a set to build my stash up in the red, black, the white, black, and red. So very similar, same combination. And I thought those turned out pretty as well too. So this one is for my stash. I'm gonna go back and make me a set of these as well for my stash because I just thought the colors turned out really nice. So I was excited. If y'all know me, I get excited when I get to craft in my favorite colors because as we were having this debate on our Zoom scrap that we do weekly, we were just talking about colors, and I was like, you know, as crafters, everything is pastel. And again, nothing wrong with pastel, because I must say that you guys have swayed me over to, you know, to tolerate some of those prettier colors. They are nice and they're feminine, but my feminine colors have been bold colors. I like bold, and I'm telling you, I can wear some red. That's my signature color. I went to church for like 3 months straight wearing a different red dress and red stilettos. I mean, like, I own some red. I can rock some red, and the same thing with black. So, oh my gosh, I did it one time. I remember one time, even in high school, I used to rock those colors, and people are like, I've never seen anybody that can rock those colors like you can. I can rock red and black. But anyway, I was just so excited, one, to have some customers that like them, for those two, but then also to actually use the colors that I love, and it wasn't for some kind of seasonal thing. It was just because somebody wanted those colors. So that was really cool, because that just like really never happens. Most people, if they hit me up to make something that, you know, it's like always very pastel, and I don't have a problem with that, and I make it even like the purple and silver. It ended up turning out really pretty. I love the combination, you know, but that's just not something that I would have normally ever have done. But I just say that to say that I got joy out of working with my favorite colors. That was just my sidebar rant. But anyway, so I just wanted to share that little quick project share, and it just made me happy to make something in the colors that I am most comfortable with. So it was fun. But I do other color combinations as well. But so anyway, I'm just rambling, but I just thought it was kind of funny to share because we was having this long discussion, joking about colors and stuff on our Zoom call. And So anyway, thank you ladies and gents, and thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I pray all is well and safe. And take care of your mental health in Jesus' name.